Hey friends, it is me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project, and today we're making this card here. I did change it up a little bit. Then we have the inside. Alright, so to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that in the center at 4 1/4. Take your bone folder and make sure that lays flat for you. Accent color, I chose, this is Stampin' Up's Highland Heather, and this is Paper Tray Ink Lavender Moon. I did emboss this one with this dot emboss folder. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4. Then you'll need a piece of white for the inside. That is also 4 by 5 1/4. Then we have our little piece here. This is the same color as our card base, 3 1/4 by 2 3/4. Then this one is 3 by 2 1/2. This paper is 1 by about 5. This one is 3/4 by 3 1/4, and this is, I'm sorry, this is 7/8 by 3 1/4. This is 3/4 by 3. All right, so what we're gonna do first is take this and adhere our paper to it. I'll have all the measurements over on my blog as well. And I just kind of line it up with the dots from my folder here. Okay, so we have that. Flip it over, cut the extra off. I didn't get it all over here. Okay, and we can take this piece and adhere that to our card. All right, that's going to go just like that. Okay. Then we have these two pieces. They're going to get glued together. Alright, so you're going to layer these two pieces together. And this is that same paper I used that I got from Amazon to review. Alright, now we're going to take this one and I'm going to put adhesive on the side of it. And we're going to take some yarn. If you want to use twine, you can do that as well. I just thought this piece needed something. Alright, so grab my scissors. I'm going to take this and just kind of eyeball it in the middle here. Okay, and I'm going to take it and just tie a bow. Yeah, I was going back and forth if I wanted to put a stamped image on here or not, and I chose not to do that. So it's a really, really simple little card. All right, let's go and fix our loops so they're not so big. And this is not laying right for me. I normally use yarn rather than twine because I think it lays better than twine does, but now it's proved me wrong. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the extra off. Alright, we're going to take this piece, we're going to flip it over and put some foam squares on it. Because the ATG tape will not stick to the embossed folder, so if you're not going to use foam squares, you want to use a liquid glue. I'm going to go with 2 more as well. Just right here and right here to make sure that really sticks down. So give all that a squish. Take the backings off. And then we'll do our stamping. Alright, that's going to go over here on the far right toward the top. I definitely got to fix that little bow. There we go. Okay. I can always stick a little bit of glue behind him or a little glue dot to help hold him down. Go ahead and grab that. Take a little glue dot just to help hold him down a little bit behind there. There we go, a little better. Okay. All right, we have that done. Now we have this piece here, and again, this was 1 7/8 by 3 1/4. This piece was 3/4 by 3. The stamps that I'm using is from, this one over here, is from the Stamps of Life. And I'm using the one that says Bunches of Love to You, and I'm using that with the Highland Heather ink. And then we'll do the inside and add our little pearls. So I'm going to ink that up. I'm going to bring it to me so I can stamp it. All right, we have that done. While we're here, I'm going to do the inside. I'm using Paper Tray Ink Lavender Moon. As I said, I'm not a fan of their ink pads, but sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So I thought for a little flower image like that, it was fine. And then grab the other flower, that same stamp step, and just do the purple one there. All right, so we can go ahead and close all those up. And adhere this to the inside. Just like that. Okay, let's take this one. We're going to glue this. Definitely need to get that ATG thing oiled. It's really loud. All right, this is going to go right here. Okay, we're going to put some foam squares on that. And I'm just going to do, I think 3 will probably be good, so it doesn't sag in the middle. All right, give them a squish, take the backing off, and then we're going to add our pearls. Now what I did not have this color pearl, so I made my own. And you want to put this on the bottom left, so you still see that paper like that. So I just took the ones I showed you before that I got from Diamond Press. I had this blue color and the pink Sharpie, and I colored them in, and I thought they were pretty darn close to that lavender moon color, so I went ahead and did 6 of them. So I'm going to put 3 on this side. Actually matches the Highland Heather too. And then we're going to flip it over and do 3. Oops, that one kind of went crooked. Okay, I want to do 3 in the upper left-hand corner as well. And if you don't like going straight, because normally I don't like going straight, because if I go crooked, you can see. You can do 1 in the corner, then 2 on the outside of that. Let's see, because I went crooked on that one too. Okay, 1 more. Get that one there, close to it. Okay, so there you have it. Super cute, right? And there's the inside, there's that one there, and I do have a card kit for you right here, so I include everything, including the yarn and the colored pearls, as well as an envelope. And then you'll get one of these finished cards with an envelope as well, so you can mail one and make one. So to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below with the flowery emoji, and I'll pick a winner this coming Sunday. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.